Hey, what's up, everybody? Too Tall Toby here, and for the past couple of months, my team and I have been developing a brand new platform to help students who are interested in practicing 3D CAD, and the name of this platform is cadpractice.com. And this platform is designed to help keep students engaged and excited about the idea of learning a new valuable skill, and it's also designed to help STEM and CTE educators who are managing a classroom of these students. So here's how it works. You can see we've got this library of CAD challenges, and within this library you can choose a challenge and then choose to reveal a 2D drawing. Now all these drawings are professionally vetted. They have all the dimensions that you need. There's no blurry views or missing dimensions or anything like that, so you can say goodbye to searching for quality drawings. All the drawings you need are right here in this library. And basically, using any 3D CAD system, this works with any 3D CAD system, the students are challenged to get in here and turn this 2D drawing into a 3D model. So you can see I'm working here in Onshape. I've actually already done this one, so we'll create the sketch and then we'll extrude it. I've extruded it up here to 20 millimeters. And once I've done that, I can measure the mass of this part, and I'm coming up with a mass of 214 grams. So now I'm a student. I'm going to go in here and try to answer this one, 214 grams, and I press enter, and oh, that answer is incorrect. Check your calculations and try again. And this is one of the most engaging things about the platform. The students don't have to wait for you, the instructor, to give them a grade. They can tell right away whether or not they have earned the points. And if they haven't earned the points, they are motivated to go through and troubleshoot, to look at the drawing and try to figure out, oh, wait a second, I extruded this to 20 millimeters. This is supposed to be 10 millimeters. So that's probably what I did wrong. So let's make a change there to that extrusion. Let's change that from 20 to 10. And then let's take another measurement of the mass of this model, 107 grams. All right, let's see if that is correct. So 107, and yes, we did it. We got it correct. And you can see here that based on the skills that were tested in that challenge, extrude and symmetry, the user earned 10 points. And these 10 points go to a leaderboard, and they also go to a skills matrix. So there's a collection of stats here for each student, and the student is trying to build out this skills matrix. In this case, the student just earned 5 more points towards extrude and 5 more points towards symmetry. And I'm currently logged in as a student named Avery Nguyen. The cool thing is that when we look through the library here, the challenges are tagged based on those skills. So you can see here that we've turned on the filter for sheet metal and look at all the different sheet metal challenges that are found throughout the library, or look for some swoopy, lofty type challenges that are found throughout the library. And the challenges are also tagged based on difficulty. And this is really valuable for you, an educator, because a lot of times you'll get students in your class that are at different skill levels. So if they're brand new to the world of 3D CAD, you could start them out on level 1, and each challenge might only be challenging them to use 1 or 2 CAD skills. But then as they work their way up and they get to a higher level, or maybe if they're already an advanced CAD user, you can introduce them to some of these more advanced challenges and kind of help them not feel like they're bored or they're kind of being held back. You can challenge them. You can say, hey, try the soap dish challenge. That one's worth 35 points. And the reason it's worth so much more is because they're challenged on so many different CAD skills. Now, on the educator side of things, what you get is you get access to an educator dashboard, including a progress grid where you can keep track of how your students are doing in the class. So, for example, Avery just finished this one here, the plate with hole, this challenge here, plate with hole. So as an educator, you could click on the results of that challenge, and then you can go down through and you can see that Avery struggled with this the first time, or at least got it wrong the first time, and then was able to get it correct on the second attempt. So this gives you a really nice overview of your class. You can kind of see who's doing well, who's struggling, who's not engaging at all. Okay, it looks like nobody is engaging with this donut challenge, and so that might be one to go over with the class. You can also create assignments for your class, and you can manage the seats for your class. So you can create a classroom or multiple classrooms, and then you can assign seats to the different members of that classroom. So the website is cadpractice.com. We're calling it the Smarter CAD Workbook for STEM Educators. And you can see here right on the homepage, you can try a free challenge. You don't even need to log in. You can also book a demo with us. We would love to talk to you about how this might fit in with you and your classroom in the upcoming semester. And of course, you could always reach out to me, Toby at cadpractice.com. And I just wanted to say thank you for taking a look at this video, and thank you for being a CAD educator.